contain many. Question 6. Skin creams contain many different chemicals. We have retinol, vitamin A, promoting cell regeneration. One method of supplying retinol to the skin is by using a skin cream containing the compound retinol palmitate. Retinol palmitate is absorbed into the skin and then broken down to form retinol. Name the type of reaction that occurs when the retinol palmitate is broken down to form retinol. Okay, so what we have here is an ester. So the breaking down of an ester is hydrolysis. That's you. Write the molecular formula for retinol. Okay, so we look at this bit here, and here is the acid part, parent acid. Here is the parent alcohol. So what we're looking for in terms of retinol, it's C20, H29, OH, because you've got to put back on the hydroxyl. Okay, skin creams often contain vitamin E to prevent damage to the skin caused by free radicals. Describe how free radicals are formed. Okay, so what we need is just the idea that what we're doing is breaking a covalent bond to leave unpaired electrons. And I would give the example here, okay, that the UV light is the right wavelength to break chlorine to chlorine. And if you wanted to, and I might, you could draw a little little diagram with your electrons shared in this pair going to this one breaking, leaving you with this one with an unpaired electron and this one with an unpaired electron. And if that was chlorines that you were talking about, then we've gone from that to that. Okay. Hydroxyl free radicals can attack fatty acids present in cell membranes. One step in the chain reaction shown below. State the name given to this step in the chain reaction. This has come up a lot in all the papers now that I know because I've worked through so many of them recently. So you're expected to know that you have 3 potential stages. You could have initiation, propagation, or termination. Initiation means that you didn't have a free radical and now you do at the end. Propagation means you had one, you still got one. Termination means you had some, you lose them. Okay, so this one is propagation. Had one at the beginning, got one at the end. It's a different one, but that doesn't matter. We still have free radical. The antioxidant vitamin E is a free radical scavenger. State how free radical scavengers prevent further chain reactions. So effectively they're creating a stop to this. So what they have to do is react with the free radicals. Okay. What you could also say, because what you've got in the actual free radical from a little picture of like the chlorine with its electrons, it's missing an electron here. So anything which can donate electrons could remove free radicals. Okay. So anything which donates an electron could also be there as a answer for that. Okay, palmitoyl pentapeptide 4, also used in skin creams. A little picture of it. Circle a peptide link in the above structure. It's a bit of a gift. C double bond O, bond N, bond H. Any one of those. Okay. Palmitoyl pentapeptide 4 is formed from palmitic acid and 3 different amino acids. Draw a structural formula for the amino acid serine. Okay. That's quite an odd question I found when I was looking at this one. Right, so what you had to do, let me just actually get rid of these. So, right, although that is showing where the different amino acids are. Okay, so we had all our different amino acids. You're told that you've got 1 palmitic acid, 2 threonine, 1 serine, and 2 lysine. Okay, so let's look for our doublers, basically. So this one, they can't be serine because there are 2 of them, so this must be something to do with that. Okay, and then we have got our other doubler. This one here. There we go. Okay, so this must be our serine, and this is our palmitic acid. Okay, because that's our C double bond O bond, well, each coming in here, and it doesn't have an amine group at the end. So this is not the acid. This is, sorry, not an amino acid. It's just the acid. Okay, so that one is our palmitic acid, and here is our serine. So all we've got to do is re-establish that NH at the end. We've got a hydrogen here, CH2, OH, C double bond O, bond OH. And there's your serine. See, I thought it was an odd question. You had to think quite hard. And that's it.